चेक पार्ट नंबर 8। रिपीट नहीं हुआ बेटा, मिसिंग है ना। 137 इज सबसेट ऑफ ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू ए। मैंने कहा डोमेन इक्वल होनी चाहिए। Here domain is not equal. Okay. Any other question you can ask? 5 is missing in domain. All element of domain या set A used. Set A के तमाम elements use होने चाहिए और repeat नहीं होने चाहिए. This is the definition of function. Simple definition of function. Okay जी. Question number 1 is a collection of well-defined object is called. This is the definition of set. So answer is C. Second, Q A by B side that AB belongs to Z and V is not equal to 0 is called a set of whole numbers not possible, natural number not possible, irrational number not possible. Only option is rational number, because whole number start from 0, natural number start from 1, and irrational number which cannot be written in the form of A by B. Third, the different number of ways to describe a set are, there are 3 different ways: tabular form, descriptive form, and set builder form. So there are 3 different ways to describe a set. Fourth one is a set which not with no element is called null set or empty set. Empty set or null set. The set x such that x belongs to W and x is less than equals to 101 is finite set. Null set mean empty set. Subset not possible. Infinite means whose endpoint continue up to infinity is called infinite set. Sixth one, the set having only one element is called null set not possible, power set not possible, subset not possible. Only option is singleton set. A set having one element is called singleton set. Power set of an empty set is this one, because empty set is subset of every set. The number of elements in power set 1, 2, 3. The simple formula is 2 power number of elements. Here number of elements are 3, so it's become 2 into 2 into 2. It becomes 8. So option is C. If A is subset of B and then A, if A is subset of B, it means all elements of A belongs to B. When we take union, then it becomes B. The superset becomes the union of A union B in case of subset. And in other hand, if A is subset of B, A intersection B, then subset becomes the answer of A intersection B. So answer is A. If A is subset of B, then A minus B is empty set. A is subset of B means all elements of A belongs to B. When we take difference, is empty set. A union B union C is equals to, this is associative law. So A union B union C. If A union B intersection C is equals to, this is distributive, intersection is distributive over union, so this is the correct option. 14. If A and B are disjoint sets, then A union B is equals to B union A. Disjoint sets mean there is no common elements in two sets. 15. If number of elements in set A is 3 and in set B is 4, then number of elements in A cross B is, the simple rule is multiply 3 by 4 and we get 12. Answer is 12. The product of number of elements is a subset of, the number of elements in A cross B. If number of elements in set A is 3 and in set B is 2, then number of binary, no, this is binary relation. Here number of elements, binary relation is different than 3 into 2, 2 power 6. Binary relation we have mean power sets of A cross B. So there are 6 elements in power set, 6 elements in A cross B, so power set becomes A to power 6. The domain of R, domain means first element. First element is called domain. So here domain is 0, 2 and 3. 3 is repeated, 0, 2 and 3. So option is B. The range means second element. Second element is called range. Second element is called range. So here range is 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ascending or descending order. Okay. Next one. Point -1, 4 lies in x is negative and y is positive. This is only one option which is 4. The relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. So if we look at here, this called relation because 3 is repeated. So it's not a function. Not a function. Why? Because 3 is repeated. In domain, no element should be repeat in function. The relation is onto function, into function, not a function, or one function. Option is not a function, or maybe because it is not a function, here it's called relation and answer is not a function. The second question is write a short answer of the following question, which is not important for us. Then third, fill in the blanks. If A is subset of B, then A union B equals to B because superset is B. If A intersection B empty, then A and B are disjoint set. Disjoint set because no element is common. If A is subset of B, B is subset of A, then A equals to B. A intersection B union C, then it's a rule of union is intersection is distributed over union, and this is A union B intersection A union C. Union is distributed over intersection. The complement of U is empty set because complement of U means U minus U and it becomes empty set. The complement of phi is U because phi complement means U minus phi and it becomes universal set. A intersection A complement, no element is same, so it's become empty set. A union A complement, it becomes universal set because A complement means U minus A and we take intersection with A. No element of A belongs to U minus A, so the total result is universal set. Okay, the set X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B is A minus B or A minus B. Both are the representation of A minus B. The point -5, -7 lies in third quadrant because in third quadrant X and Y both are negative. The point 4, -6, X is positive, Y is negative, it lies in fourth quadrant. The Y coordinate of every point is 0 on X axis. On X axis Y is 0 and on Y axis X is 0. So this is 0. The domain of A and the domain of A, B, C, D is domain means first element, so it becomes A, B, C. And range of Second element, again we have A, B, C. Venn diagram was first John Venn. It's John Venn. John, John Venn. A subset of A cross A is called the dash in A. Binary relation in A. Binary relation in A. If function from A to B and range of f equals to B, then f is an onto function. The relation A B B C A D is not a function because A is repeated. Not a function. Not a function. Okay, this completes our chapter number 5. Now we start chapter number 6.